All right, we're on the Green Line now at Branch Avenue, and we're gonna get ready to go. We're gonna take this to L'Enfant. Did I say it right?
L'Enfant.
L'Enfant. Thank you.
I think that's how it's said.
So enjoy the ride.
Okay, man.
All right, here we go.
That's kind of final destination.
And this Green Line is really nice.
It is really nice. Alright, let's get a proper video of the 7,000. There's the other one. Look how pretty this is.
It is.
This is pretty sweet. This line.
It's a really nice one.
That's a lot of shack. Actually, dude, as funny as this is about to sound, I feel like I'm riding an ACS 64 with how smooth this is.
Yeah, I can see that argument play out. Absolutely.
It feels like we're riding an Amtrak ACS 64.
It's really fast.
It is.
Yeah.
And this is a metro system, mind you.
Yeah, this definitely has commuter rail vibes.
What?
This part of the line has commuter rail vibes.
Yeah. It almost feels like Amtrak vibes in a way.
Yeah, like you were just saying. There goes there was a Alstom Breda. I think it was an Alstom. Haven't seen a Breda on this one yet. On this line, in this case.
Which is hilarious. Here's our first stop.
Yep, Suitland.
Doors opening on the left.
And they definitely improved the announcements on this 7,000 which is what you're about to hear right now. It's not as cramped as they used to be. Okay, this way. So it's not going to go this way.
Doors open. This is a Green Line train to Greenbelt, Swinburne. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Naylor Road. Step back. Doors open.
That's definitely improved. I remember the videos when these were brand new. They used to cram the hell out of them. My charger will actually get some solar charge. I'm actually charging while filming right now.
Excuse you.
Yeah, excuse you also.
Of course. You bet.
It's definitely a significant change from all the other ones.
That's a 7,000.
Yep, that's another one. Another one. Turns out pretty sharp. They actually take up like a pro. It's insane.
Doors opening on the left.
We actually may have just gotten the right car list,
We definitely did.
so we don't really get too many people this one yet.
Probably near Anacostia is probably where it's gonna really pack
This
up.
is a Green Line train.
Probably when it gets closer to Anacostia, that's when it's really gonna get crowded.
Yeah.
Because that station was busy.
The next stop is Southern Avenue.
Oh, you're okay. Sorry about that. In all fairness, I was kind of in the corner, so I didn't expect you that I would be around here.
Sorry about the video quality. My phone's complaining overheating again. If I stop the video, I won't be able to show you guys this line.
Oh, is it doing that again?
Yep.
What is it with your phone overheating every single time?
It's not even hot today. It's like in the mid 70s.
Step back.
Yeah.
Doors closing.
Jeez. I was like, what is it with your phone overheating? It's like the second time it's happened.
Oh, it's happened way too many times.
It's just for your phone.
Yeah, right? Right?
Exactly how it was. My phone tried to activate do not disturb while driving. That's how fast we're going.
Yeah. No, this is fast.
That's hilarious. As I am driving, I'll just sit back and enjoy this.
This is Southern Avenue.
So this is the West Maryland one?
Yes. Then it goes into DC.
Doors opening on the left.
So the other stuff is going to be under. That's okay, because the underground portions are really cool too. Okay, we'll eye this seat. So if it gets crowded, we
Yeah.
can't stand no more,
Doors open.
that'll be the way to go.
This is the Green Line, sorry, final destination Green Line. Next stop called
The way they say final destination.
Right?
Step back. Doors
I
closing.
love that. Alright. DC deal.
Oh, there goes a 6000 series.
Green Line also.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, conversations like that as they cross over it. That's neat that it tells you that.
Oh, you bet, yeah. Yeah, that was a really busy station.
Yeah, that was busy on the way there.
Hmm.
Doors open.
This is the Greenlaw train. Final destination Greenlaw. Next stop, Americana.
Step back. Doors open.
Alright. Let's see how right the hand of these are.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
it is, and especially with how fast we went.
That bridge actually is probably gonna have high property tax.
Well, yeah. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, here we go.
This is something you just don't get this on New York City subway. How you just screams through the tunnels, you know?
Yeah. The only part of the subway that actually screams is like between Queens and Runway.
Right. Yeah.
But this feels way faster than
You
that.
bet. Yeah.
Yeah, we're still on the top. So,
Scanning contact.
oh, never mind.
I gotta stop the camera for a second to respond to a message.
That was DVR ballpark. Okay, so water pressure. I'm still relearning.
Yep.
Are you recording again?
Yep, I am.
This is State Line. Ballpark.
My entire wallet just fell out.
Doors opening on the left.
All right, sorry about that, guys. I had a
Doors open.
bag issue that I need to take care of pretty quickly.
Train to
We got one more stop to go.
Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Plaza.
I told you, Wes.
Step back. Doors open. transfer station to the yellow line on this level. Connection is available to the Virginia Railway Express.
We need to go to that platform.
Which way?
That one. That's for yellow line.
Oh,
No, this one right here across from us.
on the other side. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. You got everything? All right.
Yep, I got everything.
Have a good one.
This is a Green Line train to Greenville, Springport. Center of the car. Next stop is Archives Navy Memorial Headquarters. Step back, doors open.
There it goes. That will be it.